Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without any disturbances. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with calming energy. Hold the breath for a moment, and then slowly exhale, releasing any tension or anxiety from your body. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each exhale, imagine releasing that tension.